It says predict the number of uninsured Americans under age 65 in 1995. And this is all under 65 with the health insurance. Now where's 1995? Between the 4 and the 6. This is years since 1990. So 1995 is going to be that guy right there. What do you say? What do you say?
38 something.
38 something? 38? Suppose you need a little bit more precision than just 38 something. I'm not saying you do, but sometimes you do need more precision, especially you got to remember that it's not 38, it's 38 million. So the something might actually be substantial. If it's 38.5 versus 38.75, that's 250,000 more people. And that's the entire state of Wyoming plus Delaware put together. And that might be, especially those of us from Delaware, they might care about that. So there's a real quick and easy way to do that. Use your TIs. You've already got everything in your TI, yes? How many of you have ever used the table function on your TI? I'm predicting, not speaking of prediction, only a couple of you, yeah. This is a wonderful feature. Kind of like this tripod. Sorry, YouTube world, who's not getting a headache from watching this. So there's a wonderful feature on your TIs called the table, where if you have an X value and you need a Y value, it spits it out for you. So what I want you to do right now is everybody access the table by doing this. Can I leave the PowerPoint on? Is it okay if the PowerPoint's on with this? Here's how you access the table. Press the second function button, and then press the graph button. Now, actually I'm going to turn this off. It's a little too bright. Does anybody's table have a bunch of numbers down the left? Like maybe it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. If it looks like that, try pressing the delete button.
Where's the function button?
Say that again.
You said second function.
No, I said second graph.
Oh.
I hope I said second graph. Well, no, I'm going to show it. Upload the videos.
Okay, got it.
I said function. Then I said it wrong, Francis. I apologize. Second graph.
Okay.
I should just listen to Randall who said graph. Thank you.
I don't get it.
It's okay. Now, is that working? No. Okay, so if it is working, great. If it's not working, here's how to make it work. This should be the only time you have to do this. Press the second function button. I know why I said second function. I always call that the second function button. Press the second button. Now press the window button. See the window button over there, friends? It's left of graph a couple. Now, right now, it takes you to the table setup screen. I don't care what these are on. That doesn't matter. But this, that's independent, you want that on ask.
Oh.
So run down there, put it on ask, and press enter. And then depend, leave it on auto. That's totally fine.
The table start number doesn't matter.
That doesn't matter at all. Because you're on ask and not auto. Auto, it would matter. But since you're on ask, it's going to prompt you for putting in values. So it doesn't care. There is no table start anymore for that. Now, when you press second graph, it should look blank like this. If it's not, now the delete button will actually remove values. And the whole reason you did this was, we needed to know how many uninsured there were in 1995. You just type 5, press enter, and it tells you, there's your change. 38 and some change. Well, your change is 350,000 people, yes? 38.35, that stands for 350,000 people. That's a lot of people we don't want to just forget about. Right? Ah, Wyoming, Delaware, Rhode Island. Who cares about those states anyway, right? So, you now know the answer. There's about 38. Could we have done this with the equation?
Yeah.
Of course, you could have plugged 5 into the equation and simplified everything and popped out 38.35. But again, I don't want this class to turn into an algebra class. Essentially, I want it to be an algebra fused with technology, fused with statistics. Yes?
So you wanted to look at it for, does it only cover the years that you put in?
Can we answer that question more thoroughly next class, Kelly? You asked an amazing question right there that cannot be answered in, unfortunately, the 62 seconds I have left. Did you hear what Kelly asked? He said, does what we just calculate, or does the equation we have only count, or cover, I think the word you use, the years we put in? That is such an awesome question. And it's got two not mutually exclusive answers, two answers that shake hands very nicely. I want to answer them both when we have more time on Wednesday. What I want you guys to do between now and then, though, is on that PowerPoint, which I will upload when I get back to the office in about an hour and a half, there's a few more questions under here. Find X so that Y equals 40. Interpret your last answer. predict the number of uninsured Americans under age 65 now, i.e. 2014. Okay, knock those questions out for next class. And then I want, this last question in particular answers your question pretty much automatically. Cool? All right, friends, so now I'll have this uploaded in about an hour and a half. Knock those 3 out. Just do them in your notebook. Do them in your notebook, or don't. That's fine too. No, I won't. You didn't do that.
I
You didn't.
don't like technology.
Yeah, it's okay. It likes